Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I mean, look at that lettuce. It's time to get some of that off of there. Yes, it is. That sounds delicious, actually. I will take some off. Definitely. This is Little Jim. Flashy Jim, excuse me. Oh, I'm so excited. I will eat that today. And this is the collards, Georgia collards. What's that? Pablo crisp head lettuce, basil, and then yeah, I don't know what happened with that. I don't remember what I did. All right, it was probably. Let me show you guys this really quick. This was on sale, and I bet it was. So the original price is $14. I got it for like $7. And I will never buy this again. No mixing, easy to use, no mess. Pump now, water later. Yeah. Yep. I used it. And here are some of the results. For one, that. Let's see what else. As I pan over to show you guys. Mold. When I use that, I got mold everywhere. So I have to bring cinnamon out, I think, to get that. I got mold everywhere from that. These are the borage, and that pump killed. Wait, where am I? In the wrong area. These are the borage, and that pump killed the rest of the, can I get that in there? Red Bull, there we go, Brussels sprouts. I have marigolds and zinnias coming out, yes. My Venus flytrap died. Yes. All right. Yeah, so ever since I used it, I got mold everywhere. Look at this. The alpha broccoli didn't like it. Look at that, just came right off. It did not like that. So I will never use that again. It was just something I was trying because it was on sale. I was like, ooh. So just because something's on sale, don't grab it. Especially something you never used before. Talking about pump and grow. So sorry guys, look at that. And then, yeah, it created mold and killed my Marvel of 4 Seasons. This one is still going, so I'm going to have to do something with this to help it continue to thrive. I'm going to move it probably to right there. So yeah, it created mold. And I just want you guys to know, when I walked in here, I walked in a nice size spider web, okay? I was not happy about that. So all of the for the broccoli didn't get too damaged, and all of the Marvel of 4 Seasons didn't get too damaged. But I still don't want, I won't use that again. Look at this. This is a burgundy bush bean. Nice. The tarragon took over the crunchy pot. I'm gonna let it do what it's gonna do. Cilantro. Nice. Nice. That's really nice. I mixed up some of the soil and took out most of the mold that I saw. This was trying to go to seed anyway. The what's this? Bok choy. So yeah. And oh, my lemon. No, this isn't lemon basil. This was just a basil from out of that one that I used. And then look at that. What? Is something eating my flowers? I have to get this out of here. My chamomile. I'll probably put it over there. I put one, and it seems to be doing fine, I think. I wonder, is something eating already? But it can't be if it didn't eat that, I guess. But the beets need to go out. I need to put the beets out. Look at this feverfew. I need to separate those immediately. And I just wanted to show you guys this. Look, look at these mushrooms. I guess it's good soil, but it's still moldy. But look at that. It's doing, the beans are doing fine, but look at that. Oh my goodness. So yeah, there are tomatoes back there, which I'm gonna repot in some different soil because this stuff is molded from that and I don't like it. I definitely don't want to lose anything because I use something that I've never used before and it's messing up my stuff. So I have Long Island Brussels right here. I have cauliflower, so I'm gonna up-hot those. My lemon mint, find a container for that. And mustard greens right there. Yes, my calendula, 2. I'll take those 2, I hope. So I just wanted to give an update and also show you guys. It's all kind of flying little bugs in here. This is the Valencia orange. Oh my goodness. I thought I took off all the crunchiness. I didn't, but oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. 5B Iowa. Okay? Valencia orange. Let me tell y'all something. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I fed this thing and I up-potted it recently and I've been feeding it some more. And when I up-potted and fed it, it is blossoming. Oh my God. This is exciting, okay? It makes me feel better because I did kill my peppers, but I didn't kill this Valencia orange. I will say that lime, I keep saying it, but at the bottom, of the lime, I see green. So we'll see. But there's a lot of up-potting I have to do in here. But really quick, it's crazy because today is so gloomy. Okay. And it snowed, right? It snowed and rained at the same time. And look at the snow. I guess it's hail too. Like it snowed, hailed, and rained. My goodness. Well, I just wanted to come on to show you guys the greenhouse. And that was it. Things are starting to bloom, but it's not time yet. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.